Now let's go to St. Thomas now, where parents say they will be using the lessons learned from last year to not only help their children, but to safeguard their own peace of mind. Herman Green explains.
A game of dominoes among children. This and the other games replaced class time for many students across the island for the past academic year, leaving several parents frustrated with their back-to-school preparations then.
Last year I prepared shoes, bag, everything. So I'm not preparing nothing till I see school open back the real way.
But the frustration goes beyond uniform and other requirements for face-to-face classes. Online classes officially started on Monday. But after last year's failures with internet-based learning, they have adopted a wait-and-see approach to all spending. They say books purchased were not used. Google Class Access were issued months late, and the vast majority simply could not access the internet or had no device to do so. Nesia Gay Russell has 2 children. Like many others, she has no faith that improvements have been made this year.
I have to see what I've got before I can spend up. Maybe I bought a little, but I'm not going to buy enough. If school fee to pay, I don't think I would pay school fee and so forth because I don't know what's going on.
Me as a parent now, may I get my son into a private class? I don't know how much other parent can afford that, but I have to do what I have to do.
Marvia believes that in spite of her efforts last year, educators and school administrators were not prepared, and as a result, her son lost out on months of education. For her, this year's preparations will be much different.
Yes, totally, because last year I had expected, because I had gone to the school and asked them if I could get like the work, to pick up the work at school and give it to him, and that wasn't prepared. So this year now, me prepared myself physically and mentally to deal with the challenges where I got pose. So it's totally different. At least now you know what to brace for and what to look for, the challenges where you're going to face.
Others are adamant that they simply can't afford the trial and errors of schools and the education ministry.
I'm not preparing anything, I said, till me see school open the real way. And I can say, yes, my son, you're ready to go to school. I'm a daughter. Okay? Thank you.
Herman Green, TVJ News.